Decapitated.
Monster kill.
할아버지
어디서 해? Do you smell? What the stitch is cooking? Just woke up. Today's video, lechon baboy. Let's get it. Bam! We're gonna cook lechon baboy in Yongmun, my grandparents' house. Kind of craziest video that we ever did in our life. We woke up early because you have to go to the butcher vendor to pick up our 50-kilo pig, guys. Let's get that pig. We're here. Lechon baboy. Let's see how our pig is doing. Let's go. Oh shit. What the? Bro.
Oh my god. That looks like holy shit.
Careful.
Oh shit. Bye bye. It's heavy. I thought it's 50 kilograms. You waited, bro. You lift? Do you lift? Do you even lift?
Do
Do you even lift?
Bros, we have a problem.
Why?
It's a pretty big pig, I think. I don't know how I'm gonna roast that. Alright.
Okay.
We're gonna go to Yongmun.
Like that.
I think it's gonna be a little problem, but yeah. Her name is Mary Jane.
Mary Jane.
We're gonna eat some pig. See you in Yongmun. Let's go. Wow! Are we in Yongmun, bro? Are we?
Not yet.
Are we there?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Shit. One more hour. How are you doing, Marianne? How are you doing, Marianne?
Guys, this is the pig. Lechon baboy, here we go. I'm gonna touch the pig, guys. This is the legs. Shit, bro, it's flesh, bro. Hello, pig. Oh, it feels weird. Huh?
You can see the pig?
Yeah, bro. Fuck. I feel so kind of sad, but at the same time happy. But like, rest in peace, pig. I love you. Love you. Fuck. Going to Yongmun, let's do it.
How are you doing, Marianne? Alright, we'll see you in Yongmun. Let's go. Welcome to Yongmun! My grandpa's house, place, guest house. There is so good. Introducing to you the master. He's the master of everything. Hard work is like his dedication in life. He works like really hard, okay? Introducing to you my grandpa, Mr. Park! Now we're gonna make the pole, okay? Go, let's stick it in the asshole. Oh. Okay.
This is the contraption, guys. We're gonna roast the pig here.
Okay, we're gonna put the pig, huh?
Removing the plastic.
It's the Korean pig. It doesn't smell like anything, actually. It's Mary. Say hi to Mary.
Hello.
Hi, Mary. Look at the face.
It has
So
eyes,
pretty. Look at that. Has the eyes, huh?
Oh my god.
I'm not so sure if it's supposed to have the eyes, huh? But
In the asshole first. Ah. Is this YouTube allowed?
test.
뭔가 안 쫄... 아니야.
거의 오라이. 딱 맞아. We're preparing, Halmoni and I are preparing the ingredients that's going in. We got some red onions, some garlic. Harmony is doing the lemongrass and the spring onions. Guys, the pig looks good. You know, my grandfather really helped me make the pig. It's kind of sealed up right now. So the whole plan is to put in the ingredients and seal it up a little bit. And my grandma, lovely grandma, shout out to grandma, helped me clean the lemongrass, the spring onions, and we're gonna make the lechon baboy Cebuano style. Garlic first, guys, garlic. Where's the garlic? Ooh. So we got the garlic here, look at that. Ooh. Let's put the garlic in here. Just put him in. Make sure the garlic is in there. What's next? Onion, red onion. Near the puwet, you know. And then you got the red chilies here. We are using the red chili and then the Chongyang gochu, the spicy chili for the flavors. Yeah, good enough, I think. You know, make sure it's kind of pantay-pantay. Give them some love there. And then the spring onions, whole spring onions. Pineapple chunks. So I got the pineapple chunks. Here goes the pineapple chunks. Put that in the pit. Put it inside. Okay, one pineapple done. And then salt.
Marinating the pig.
Yep, salt. And then soy sauce base. And then lemongrass. The lemongrass. That's kind of full already. Bay leaves. And then Sprite, calamansi juice. So we got some calamansi, ha. Star anise wine. So we got a Korean star anise wine, ha. Sprite. Put some Sprite in.
That's Korean Sprite too.
Woo! Sprite, some wine. Okay. So guys, I think that's the end of the pig. Can you put some more lemongrass here? No. That's a Cebuano lechon for you. And we now have to sew it, like what Grandpa said. How do you sew this, guys?
We never sewed a pig.
Ang ina, haba ng cut niya. Why is it so long, the cut, ha? The Korean pig is so long, ha? How are you gonna sew this? I'm gonna sew you in the fucking, ano, ha? In the fucking abogado office, you Koreano pig is so freaking thin. It's an idol pig. It's from BTS, this pig, ha? This pig is BTS, look at that. BTS. Sarap. BTS.
Very
Sarap. It's so lean, bro. Koreans are fucking lean. They're not mataba. They're on a diet. It's plastic surgery. Look at that incision from butt to taton. That is so long. Ang haba yung incision niya. So that means I have to sew it more. Congratulations.
It'll take like 1 hour to sew it. So, what to do when you're bored?
Shut up. Not even funny anymore.
Rest, bro. You don't have to do it all in one eternity later.
1 eternity later.
Still sewing. Almost there. Halfway done. It's a fiesta.
Halfway done, guys. I'm so happy. Jollibee.
That's why there's 10 people, 20 people. Because
Thanksgiving pa. I did rest pa. Here I'm doing man.